Let me guess. Prepositions give you a hard time. Occasionally, I don't mean always. They gave me a hard time too. That is why I have collected here 17 most common combinations of verbs and prepositions and most typical mistakes English learners make when using them. But I don't want to lecture you. Instead, why don't you try this quiz I have prepared? I will read you a story with multiple choice of prepositions to fill in. You will have some time to think and choose the correct option, and then I will give you the right answer. Ready? Let's get started. Emily was always aware of her surroundings, but she couldn't figure out what was happening today. There was an unusual package waiting for her when she arrived at work. It was addressed to her, but there was no sender's information. She decided to wait for her colleague Jake to help her open it. Jake had always been the person everyone could depend on in the office. When he finally arrived, Emily provided him with the details of the unusual situation. This doesn't match anything I've ordered, she exclaimed. Jake tried to stay calm, but he was just as curious. Well, maybe it's a surprise, he suggested. Let's discuss it together. We can talk about the possibilities and decide what to do next. Or, if you are tired of guessing, we can have a discussion on the best approach and then open it. While they were debating, their boss, Mr. Green, who was married to his job, as everyone joked, suddenly joined the conversation. You know, he said, you should congratulate yourself on being so popular. Someone might have sent you a gift for all your hard work. Just then, the office manager walked by and reacted to the scene with a smile. Why are you all gathered here? Stop wasting time and get back to work. And Emily, you need to take care of the package. Feeling more curious than ever, Emily decided to take action. She opened the package while Jack was listening to her heartbeat, which was much faster than usual. Inside they found a golden key. Attached to it there was a note saying, "Subscribe to the mystery and all will be revealed." They couldn't believe their eyes. Was that some sort of puzzle? They had no idea what to do next. This must be due to some strange game or promotion, Jack said, trying to make sense of it. Maybe if we figure it out, we will win a prize. At the end of the day, Emily was left both excited and confused. She realized she would have to discuss the mystery further with her friends and try to match all the clues. For now, though, she was just happy she could depend on her colleagues for support, even in the strangest situations. You did it! How was that? Have you chosen all prepositions correctly? Grasping verb plus preposition collocation is crucial for English learners, because these combinations are key to sounding natural and fluent. Unlike standalone words, these collocations don't always follow strict grammar rules or cannot be translated directly from other languages. That is the reason why I often hear my students say "depend from" or "to be married with." Those are the direct translations from their native languages, which don't really help. If you want to improve your skills of thinking in English and stop translating in your head, I recommend you to watch one of my videos where I suggested some practical advice and exercises. If the problem seems to be in memorizing new words and expanding your vocabulary, my latest video on how to learn English words and actually remember them might help you as well. That's it for today's video. I hope it was useful and interesting. Thank you for being with me this time, and see you very soon.